evening to every beloved Chelsea fans. Chelsea fans, how una dey? Since that our match wey I don drop for other platforms since morning, my hand has been tight and one or two have been swapping around and oh boy, yes, I'm back and let's quickly get into the match proper because after that incredible 90 minutes between Chelsea for our first friendly match ahead of next season, preparing for next season, and first Xabi Alonso in charge for according to the report wey be say he's our new boss, no be even report, according to the things wey dey around Chelsea Football Club presently, his first match in charge as Chelsea new boss, as Chelsea new manager, it ended Chelsea 6 and then Western Sydney Wonders 4. What an incredible performance, both the first half and the second half, because at the first half it was even looking like Chelsea is going to lose the match or end in a draw because according to the first half performance. And first of all, I want to talk about something and I go really need make every Chelsea fans lis ten and watch this video to the end because let's quickly rush real quick into the headline of the match and everything we have to say in the match and any other reports that are circulating around Chelsea Football Club because another video will be coming up very soon after this one and stay tuned for the video. So tap the like button for me while I rush quickly into the headline because today Chelsea played the first public match today at where is the match being? Australia, Sydney in Australia, and the match ended Chelsea 6 and then Western Sydney 4. All thanks to our main man and our key players, even the new players and some of our academy players, most of our academy players, but 3 useless players from our first team who flopped, who were useless in that first half. We go talk about that one when we get there. And something I noticed about that match is what I noticed when we get there. We go talk about that one. And a report again came outside yesterday saying that Jordan Henderson is now being linked to Chelsea Football Club and Chelsea are now leading the race in getting the deal done on a free transfer. When we get there, we go talk about that one. And another report again is Chelsea are now considering a move for Brighton striker, which is Danny Welbeck, and they are now in talks with have now opened talks with with Brighton in order to to talk about clubs to talk with the Brighton, and like we already know that Chelsea and Brighton are in good terms when it comes to transfer blah 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 everything like that, and we go dey monitor the matter bomba to bomba as e dey go in the transfer window. So real quick, let's quickly dive into the first matter wey I talk, which is our match that we play today, the post-match preview of that match, because after that match it ended Chelsea after 90 minutes, it ended Chelsea 6 and then Western Sydney 4. And if I have to judge with that first half performance, I'm giving thumb ups, giving flowers to Xabi Alonso first of all because I saw some changes in that match. At some point, it was even looking like that match would not finish because it was entertaining, number one. There was too much of goals in the match. There was fouls. There was everything complete for that match. That is why I'm giving Xabi Alonso his first thumb up and Bluco also for signing us these experienced players wey be say we need and even spoiling us in getting us more than what we are asking for from them. So if I go judge from that first half performance, I'll be counting out 3 of our players, which is Josh Achampong number 1, Tosin Adarabioyo number 2, and number 3 Liam Delap. Tosin on the number 1 point. When I saw him taking on the captain armband, I even to say oh boy, wetin make Xabi Alonso carry this brother put for captain role. E be like say this brother don change o. I will be seeing a different Tosin Adarabioyo because Xabi Alonso's project is trying to let us know that there will be a competitive in every part of the every role in that Chelsea team. And with what I saw today, Tosin should be loaned out. Tosin Adarabioyo should be loaned out from that team or even sell for permanent deal because I don't see a reason why Xabi Alonso is going to keep him ahead of next season in his project because this brother no fit at all. He no fit. See, I'm even fed up of this Tosin Adarabioyo matter because throughout last season, in the era of Enzo Maresca, in the era of Liam Mousinho, na him matter every day Tosin Adarabioyo, every day Tosin Adarabioyo. Why again in Xabi Alonso's project? Bluco, una don dey do things wey be say we dey praise una, no fuck up for our hand. And number two, Liam Delap. It is now been open some times ago when reports came out saying that Everton are now linked with Liam Delap. Chelsea fans, wetin happen? I say Chelsea fans, Bluco, wetin happen? Dem no open talks again say dem wan buy am. Why is things going like this? Get this body out of this thing. E don have like when I saw the performance today in that first half, in sometimes when that match was even going on, I sat down, I was not like, is this not the Liam Delap una talk say im dey score behind closed door match? Shey na dem Ozil im dey play with? Because with the performance me I see inside Liam Delap today, I no sure say na Liam Delap dey score. Abi when it comes to camera, public something, na that time the ball dey flop. Say anytime wey be say Liam Delap wan play now, make dem no dey set camera for the border, or maybe na the time wey be say the border see crowd, the ear no dey correct. Abi the chanting of Chelsea Football Club na im dey confuse the border. Like Liam Delap has to sit down and let somebody know the eye problem of the what his problem is. Like me I no even mistake talk wetin I no suppose talk. What is your main problem? Somebody needs to sit this brother down and ask him, Liam Delap, what is your problem? What are the things you need to amend? Because I don't understand. Liam Delap, Enzo Maresca's era, you really put up an incredible performance. It was an excuse. Liam Mousinho matter era also, an excuse. Xabi Alonso's era nko, you wan turn yourself to senior Garnacho. When he was at Manchester United, flop. Chelsea Football Club, flop. I saw his clips today, training. The ball no even dey run, you no even get that energy. Person wey you dey training, you wan dribble, ball dey fall down for your leg. And all thanks, thank God. Somebody help me to praise God. Help me to praise God because I saw a different Jemi Gittins in this match today. Like Xabi Alonso, that is why I gave you a flowers in the first of this video because I saw a different Jemi Gittins. The ball that they bought something very good. And now I want to say that here is the Jemi Gittins Chelsea requested from what? From the Borussia Dortmund. The one we saw last season was on a loan deal to Chelsea Football Club. Now this season be the permanent deal. Chelsea just signed Jemi Gittins. No, make nobody tell me say na last season they sign am. Because now here I just dey see proper ball from the body of what? From Jemi Gittins. It should have been a goal and an assist for the border today. If not that the ball was being deflected, was being blocked, that was wey he make for Joao Pedro before he scored that goal. If not be say they block the goal, they block the cross, it should have been a goal and an assist for the border. And today, here is the third game the border will play for friendly match, and both the three matches the border has now put up an incredible performance and scored in both three matches. In all three matches the border has now scored. And up thanks to, I want to give a flower to this brother because he's going to be our future star, which is our new signing Dustin Sackfierce. The brother also scored a debut goal at Chelsea Football Club today, who is scoring the opening goal for us today. He was the one that opened the net in the 7th minute of the match. And don't test to our academy players also because they also put up an incredible performance in the first half, drawing the senior team of Western Sydney. Their first team played in the first half and our academy boys drew 2-2 with them. And again, I also saw a different Dario Sugo today. I saw a different tactics in today's match. I saw a tiki-taka in this match today. And there is what we have been asking for. I saw a training section that Xabi Alonso did. That one, I think it's Marco Palestra that put up a cross. That Xabi Alonso was saying that no, I don't like this. We need to what? To play tiki-taka. And that is why I know say yeah is now giving me the proof and the wetin I go call am the reason why I go decide say Xabi Alonso na true wetin he say na true student of Pep Guardiola, because that is what his masters do most. That is what Pep Guardiola is good in doing most. See your boy, See, I no go talk too much on dis matter because, and again, last but not least, before I forget, I go need give flowers to three of our players that put up an incredible performance and one again that didn't put up but tried to put up an incredible performance, but it was a play for him. First of all, Joao Pedro scoring an hat-trick and announcing his arrival to the friendly match and ahead of next season. And here is the reason why I am thanking God that Carlos Ancelotti did not pick Joao Pedro to the World Cup, because na so work the brother go dey do for World Cup, and thank God Lord, I thank you say Joao Pedro no go what? No go World Cup. And next is Cole Palmer, because the brother also put up an incredible performance today. I saw a different Cole Palmer putting up, throwing passes, creating crosses, giving an interception, and the brother was, this is now the Cole Palmer you have been asking for a very long time ago. And moving on again to Marco Palesha, our new signing. I saw a real baller in the border today. Here is the reason why I am giving another thumb up to Bluco for signing this incredible baller. The baller na leg work the baller dey do. The baller sabi, he sabi run, he sabi pace, energy dey, body dey. Things complete for the baller body. So moving on, let's quickly go into the matter of Jordan Henderson to Chelsea Football Club, because Chelsea has now confirmed that they are now leading the race, because Xabi Alonso wanted what Jordan Henderson, and Chelsea are moving real quick to get the player. When I saw that report yesterday, I came outside to say it in, I think is this platform I thought the matter, and we go need quickly what talk about the matter, because na this platform I remember, na this platform I talk about am yesterday. Abi no, na for my other platform I talk about am say Jordan Henderson to Chelsea might be a year we go very soon. And when I saw that report, I've seen some agendas cooking up different type of play, saying that oh boy, why will Chelsea go for a 36 years old proven experienced player? Person wey be say flop for World Cup, why you go get this man? After making some research, I see say the brother dey put up an incredible, dey put up some key goals. E get some key goals wey be say the brother go give us if truly Chelsea needs to get this brother. He has some leadership goal wey be say the brother dey play. If not even say the brother dey ball, he dey do this, he dey do that. I watched a clip yesterday of Jordan Henderson on the bench and still instructing Reece James say, oh boy, na like this you go dey do, and he's not the coach. The brother no be the coach, and he's instructing Reece James say, brother boy, na like this you go dey play. And that is the kind of mentality we had in the era of Thiago Silva. Na him dey dictate say, oh boy, no dey overlap too much, oya make una come defend, oya make una attack, oya we need to play on counter attack, guy you need to defend. That is the kind of role we need in that team. And I've seen it clearly now that Bluco themselves want to get experience in every part of Chelsea Football Club, whether in the goalkeeping aspect, whether in the defensive aspect, whether in the midfield aspect, and whether in the attacking aspect. They want to get it. They want to get every side an experienced player. And yet this report maybe to the report of Danny Welbeck, because here is another experienced proven player wey be say Chelsea want to get into our team presently right about now. And all of us know say Brighton and Chelsea are in good terms when it comes to transfer. They have always been our good and general customers when it comes to transfer. And presently at Ghana, if Chelsea can get this brother, it is going to be a very deep, because when I check our record with Danny Welbeck and Chelsea Football Club last year, you go see say the brother na devil for Chelsea Football Club. The brother just dey score. When the brother fit come in for 70 minutes and still give you at least 2 goals or 1 goal. Na one kind brother wey be say anytime he come into match like this, he dey always change match. Na sure banker, but the brother must score. And this is the kind of player we need. After playing Joao Pedro, giving us like 2 or 3 goals in the first in 65 minutes, bringing in again Danny Welbeck, a Premier League proven player, giving us again maybe 2 or 3 goals. That is, it's gonna be massive, baby. It's gonna be massive, prof. Oh boy, Chelsea Football Club, Bewa, Danny Welbeck, Bewa, Jordan Henderson, Bewa. This is the kind of experience we need in the team. So last but not the least, we go talk about the latest report wey be say na talking point around Chelsea Football Club, because after that match today, I've seen some opposition fans talking about Chelsea beat West Ham in 6-4. Is it a new team? dey play neck to neck with us. If not for Joao Pedro, we should have lost the match, we could have drawn the match. Yes, na friendly match, me sef know say na friendly match, but at least you dis opposition fans, especially Man U fans, your first friendly match, what did you play? You lose to Wrexham, a Wrexham that I took last season, last summer, no be last season sef, last summer, and opwe dem 5-0, 5-0 in the era of what? Na Enzo Maresca. In the era of Enzo Maresca, I took dem and opwe dem 5-0. I no get time to dey do cho cho cho. I be champions of the world. Champions of the world no dey shout at all. We no dey make noise. We dey calm down dey watch. Na we go dey just dey meditate on something say oh boy make I just gaslight. You get my point na. So beloved football lovers, tap the like button for me, subscribe if na the first time you are coming across the video, and like I said earlier, tap the like button, e dey very very important, and comment one or two about this report wey dey in front of you, whether na the report concerning our match we played, our first match, pre-season match that we played today, or concerning Danny Welbeck moving to Chelsea Football Club, or concerning the matter of Jordan Henderson joining Chelsea Football Club. So I go see una in the next one.